Hi grade 9s, today our video is about polygons. What's a polygon? Here are some pictures of polygons. And we're going to focus on polygons that have more than 3 sides and more than 4 sides. A 3-sided polygon is just a triangle, and a 4-sided polygon is just a rectangle. So we already know that if you have a triangle, which is a polygon with 3 sides, the inside angles add up to 180 degrees. We also know that if we have a quadrilateral, which is a 4-sided polygon, then the angles on the inside of that quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So our goal today is to find out, what do the angles add up to if there are more than 4 sides in our polygon? If you look at the geometry booklet that I gave you, one of the last pages gives some instructions about polygons with more than 4 sides. That worksheet page is a bit confusing, so I want to kind of simplify what it's trying to teach in this video today. The basic trick that we're going to use is we're going to take all our polygons that have more than 4 sides, and we're going to split those polygons into triangles. Because if we split our polygons into triangles, we know that a triangle contains 180 degrees. So if we split our polygon into triangles, we can determine how many degrees there are in total by looking at the number of triangles that can be made within the polygon. Let's try a question together. I printed out a picture of a polygon with 10 sides, and we're going to see what happens when I try to split that polygon into triangles, and we're going to count how many triangles there are. Okay, so here is my polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to split this polygon into triangles. Let's pick one corner or one vertex to start at. Let's start right here. And what I want to do is I want to draw a triangle to another vertex to make a triangle. So if I go from here to here, that is a triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides. Now I want to move my ruler down and I want to find another triangle that I can draw. Oh, look it, if I go from this vertex to this vertex, or this corner to this corner, I also have a triangle. And we're gonna keep going. Start at the same place, go to the next vertex, I've got another triangle. And then another triangle, another triangle, another triangle, another triangle here, 1, 2, 3, and a last triangle over here. Let's count how many triangles I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. It has 10 sides and it has 8 triangles. Now, we know that each of our triangles has 180 degrees inside it. 180, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180. So what I have is I have 8 triangles. They each have 180 degrees in them. So I need to multiply 180 times 8. That's going to give me, in total, 1,440 degrees inside this polygon. Let's look at a picture that I found on Google. It's a picture of a 5-sided polygon, and in the picture you can see that they've split the polygon, the 5-sided polygon, into triangles. Let's look at it now. Let's look at another picture from the internet. This time, there are 3 different polygons. One polygon has 5 sides, one polygon has 6 sides, and one polygon has 8 sides. And in each of those polygons, they are split into triangles. Let's look at that picture now. The last picture we saw told us that there was a pattern, and there certainly is a pattern. You might not see it yet, but hopefully you will see it soon. When there are 10 sides, there are 8 triangles. When there are 6 sides, there are 3 triangles. When there are 6 sides, there are 4 triangles. When there are 8 sides, there are 6 triangles. When there are 9 sides, there are 7 triangles. Like I said before, when there are 10 sides, there are 8 triangles. When there are 11 sides, there are 9 triangles. When there are 12 sides, there are 10 triangles. When there are 100 sides, there are 98 triangles. Do you see the pattern? The pattern is that if you know how many sides there are, then to find out the number of triangles, all you need to do is subtract 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. 11 minus 2 is 9. 12 minus 2 is 10. 100 minus 2 is 98. So this polygon has 15 sides, and we want to check to see if our pattern works. If it has 15 sides, if I go 15, subtract 2, there should be 13 triangles. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there are 15 sides to my polygon, and I'm going to start making triangles. I'm going to pick one spot to start, and I'm going to go around my polygon making triangles. And hopefully, according to my pattern, there should be 13. You have to go from one corner to another corner. So one corner to another corner. One corner to another corner. One corner to another corner. You can't make a triangle to the middle of the side. It has to be a corner. I'm going to keep doing that all the way around my triangle. My polygon. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going until I run out of spaces to make triangles. Keep going and keep going. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 triangles. So that means each of my triangles is 180 degrees times 13. I need to know how much that is to know how much the interior angles add up to. So let me do some multiplication here. Obviously, you could use a calculator. I just don't have a calculator with me right now. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in total, there are 2,340 degrees. Okay, so let's see how we could do a problem where we have to find a missing angle. Here I've got a polygon, and it's got more than 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it has 6 sides, it should have 4 triangles. Let's just make sure. So I'm going to start drawing my triangles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So I have 180 times 4, which gives me in total, I should have 720 degrees. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle. All the angles on the inside, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them should add up to 720 degrees. That means that 103 plus 87 plus 84 plus 128 plus 150 plus my x should add up to 720. And what we need to do is we need to find out what will this x be so that these 6 numbers add up to 720. I'm going to find the answer to that question now. I've got my calculator here. I need to add up 103 plus 87 plus 84 plus 128 plus 150. These ones right here, the first 5 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add up to 552. 552 plus what extra angle is going to give me 720? I'm going to balance my equations. Cancel these ones out. So the x, the angle I'm looking for, is going to be 720 minus 552 equals 168 degrees. Okay, I'm going to leave you with one question to try in your own at the end of this video. I would love for you to try it and send me your answers so that I can check it. Have a great day.